Have you ever read a story where you could almost feel the sand between your toes? Or smell the forest after the rain? That's the power of a great setting description. Today in Sunny Hollow, we're going to learn exactly how to write one. I'm Quill, and this is your guide to describing settings like a pro. The setting describes where your story takes place. A good setting description uses 4 things: the people in the setting, the things you can see, a general description of the place, and the actions happening around you. Remember these 4 categories: people, things, general description, and actions, and you'll never be stuck describing a setting again.
Let's look at our first setting, the beach. Who might you find here? Beachgoers, surfers, picnickers, and fishermen. What things can you see? Seashells, seaweed, a picnic mat, a spade, and a bucket. Now for the general description. This is where you paint the picture. Listen to this. Colorful beach towels laid in rows on the sand, and flip-flops left haphazardly everywhere. It tells you immediately that there are other beachgoers, and probably different activities taking place, doesn't it? And for actions. Wet sand squished between my toes as I stood at the shore, inhaling the briny air. It certainly looked like it would be a fantastic day. The sentences put the reader right there on the beach. This helps readers experience the scene. Most importantly, the setting creates the mood and prepares readers for the rest of the story.
Here's something many students write. I went to the beach. It was crowded, but I found a place to put my mat. That's 2 sentences, and we still can't see the beach the way the writer imagines it to be. Now listen to this instead. The briny smell of seawater, mixed with the smoke from the barbecue pits, invaded my nostrils, and my stomach rumbled. Snatches of conversation and laughter were heard all around me. I ignored the hot sand burning my feet and placed my picnic mat under a shade. Same beach, but now we're there. The difference? Specific vocabulary from all 4 categories.
Our second setting is the restaurant. People you'll find there: patrons, chef, cashier, waiter, waitress, and manager. Things around you: cutlery, menu, napkin, beverages, and dishes. For the general description. Aroma of food wafted in from the kitchen as the doors leading to the kitchen swung back and forth. And for actions. Waitresses bustled about, moving from table to table, serving drinks and taking orders. I slid onto the plush velvety chair and reached for the menu. The clink of cutlery and the sound of laughter filled the restaurant. Notice how the action sentences use your senses: touch, sound, and sight.
Remember, great setting descriptions use 4 things: people, things, general description, and actions. And the more senses you include, the more vivid your writing will be. Get ideas on how to write great descriptions for settings and feelings. Refer to topics to help you determine a focus for your stories and enhance your stories with more specific words. All these can be found in the JLY Education Upper Primary Essential Vocabulary Book. Link in the description below. I'm Quill. See you in the next Sunny Hollow lesson.